If you're using GROK and want to unlock more content options like Nsfw, here's how to adjust your settings the right way. First, open your GROK through the X app or on your browser. Then make sure you're logged onto your account. Once you're in, tap your profile icon and go to your settings. From there, look for sections like privacy, content preferences, or safety settings. This is where you control what kind of content shows up in your experience. Next, explore the available content options depending on your account type or region. You might see different levels of content filtering. Adjust these settings based on what you prefer to see while using the app. Now, if you're using features like image or video generation, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Some features are only available to certain users or require specific access levels. Also, keep in mind that some features may only be available for premium users or may change over time as the platform updates its policies and tools. After adjusting everything, go back and test it by using Grok normally. You should notice a difference in how content is displayed or generated based on your settings. And that's it. That's how you customize your Grok experience and unlock more content options like NSFW.